Honorable Sri Vaiko, Mr. Vaiko, your name is after Mr. Ghanshyam Tiwari.
He has donated 3 minutes from him.
No, sir, it's not the practice. Please, you speak on the point.
Honorable Mr.
Please.
Deputy Chairman said, serious discussion is going on
Tiwari ji,
about Manipur and
your
what is
concern, I know.
happening there.
Your concern for him.
Rape, murder, arsoning, everything is going on.
Yes.
Hundreds and hundreds of people have given their lives.
Yes.
One simple question,
Yes.
$1 million question.
Yes.
The Prime Minister of India is the custodian of 140 crore people.
Yes.
What business he has got in other countries?
Yes.
Whenever we ask, he is in this country, that
Please,
country.
you cannot
He is
comment
the
on Honorable
Prime
Prime Minister.
Minister
This will
for
not go.
all countries.
It's a constitutional.
Why he did
Please,
not go to
constitutional-
Manipur?
No, please.
Why
Please.
he did not go to Manipur?
Please.
He failed in his duty as a Prime Minister. Nobody will do that.
That he can.
He is going every country after country,
Yes.
but not Manipur.
No comment
Manipur
on
is
his
not in
minutes,
India.
sir. It will not go on the record. Please.
Why, sir? What is
Prime
unparliamentary?
Minister's-
What is unparliamentary?
Prime Minister's
What
foreign
is
visit will not
unparliamentary?
go. Please.
What is
Please.
unparliamentary? What is unparliamentary?
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के विदेश यात्रा पर आप कुछ
Sir.
नहीं कर सकते. You speak on
The same
subject.
time, the whole country is agitated on another issue.
बोलिए. You please speak. You are losing
Sir.
your time.
Mr. Prime Minister means PM. Our Prime Minister means picnic minister. He is, yes, he is touring all the
No
country.
comments on.
He is touring all the country.
You know he's on the constitutional post. You cannot comment like this. This will
I
not
have
go on the
already
record.
said it. I will repeat it.
Please,
I am
no.
not bothered about you.
No, please,
I have
please.
seen so many people
Please
like you.
speak on the subject.
So
Speak
many,
on- No,
hundreds and
no
hundreds.
cross. Please speak on the
MPs.
subject.
I
That
am not
will go on the
bothered.
record only.
I speak
Please.
from my heart.
Speak.
You speak.
I am Vaiko. You want to be who
Yeah,
are you?
please, you
I
are
am
losing
Vaiko.
your time.
I am a product of Anna movement.
Please.
I am a product of
Speak. You are losing
anti-Indian
your time.
agitation.
You are losing your time. You are losing your time.
Sir, you should be liberal. When all
I have to speak to the time. Please. Please.
Sir, they are interrupting him, sir. Order, please.
No. I'm order.
They are standing
You
up.
take your seat.
They are standing
You
up.
take your seat. आप जानते हैं मिस्टर जॉन पीटर्स यू नो प्लीज टेक योर सीट प्लीज टेक योर सीट प्लीज टेक यू स्पीक अदरवाइज आई विल प्रोसीड
எங்கள் வாழ்வும் எங்கள் வளமும் மங்காத தமிழன்று சங்கிய முழங்கி எப்பக்கம் வந்து புகுந்து விடும் இந்தி எத்தனை பட்டாளம் கூட்டி வரும்
Please.
கண்ணை கிளிபட நேரும் கட்டாய இந்தியை வெட்டி புதைப்போம் This was our war song in anti-Indian agitation.
Your
It's
time
going
is
on
over.
for 80 years. 80
Your
years.
time is
now,
over.
sir, now
Please conclude.
in Allahabad, some 3 months back, a conference was done by Hindu Mahasabha and Bajrang Dal and Hindutva forces. A
You
conference.
speak on the subject, please.
Sir, this is a
Speak
subject.
on the subject.
Sir,
Please.
appropriation bill, you can speak anything under the sun. I
Yes.
got, yes, I have got
please.
the experience of
Please.
24 years in the
Your
parliament.
time is over. Yes, you
I
are
know,
very experienced.
Mr.
I know.
Chairman, you may not know the rules and the convention.
You know the rules per time. Your
Appropriation
Your
bill,
time is
you can
over.
speak anything under the sun.
Your time
now,
is over.
In the
Please.
new education policy, that should be thrown into the dustbin.
Your time is over.
No.
I will call the
No,
next
no.
person. I am requesting
New
you.
education policy, we are opposed. Our Dravidian model government run by Mr. Stalin, our leader, we have organized a
Your time is over. I am
Most of
calling
the
other
states,
person. Please.
they have not agreed.
You conclude,
New economic
otherwise I am
policy.
calling other person.
Hindi and
Please.
Sanskrit. I have burned a
Maharaja
copy of the
Sandha
constitution
Samba.
of the public.
Thank you, sir.
लीडर ऑफ द हाउस वांट्स टू स्पीक, प्लीज माननीय लीडर, आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है, यू प्लीज टेक योर सीट, यू हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन मोर टाइम सर, यू हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन मोर टाइम, प्लीज माननीय लीडर ऑफ द हाउस।
माननीय उपाध्यक्ष महोदय, हम सब लोग यहाँ वाद विवाद विषयों पर चर्चा करने के लिए उपस्थित हुए हैं। वाइको साहब हमारे बहुत विभिन्न जिम्मेवारियों पर और लंबे समय तक संसदीय प्रणाली से अवगत हैं, लेकिन खेद के साथ कहना पड़ता है कि मणिपुर छोड़कर बाकी सब विषयों पर उन्होंने चर्चा की। दूसरी बात
प्लीज
मैं वही कह,
माननीय जयराम जी प्लीज।
दूसरी बात जो उन्होंने माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी पर जिस तरीके से टिप्पणी की है वह असंसदीय भी है और वह डिसेंसी के बाहर है। मुझे लगता है कि आप उसको एग्जामिन कराएं और जो असंसदीय है और डिसेंसी से बाहर है उसे आप एक्सपर्ट।
आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड अबाउट इट। जो भी असंसदीय चीजें या माननीय प्रधानमंत्री पर टिप्पणी होगी उन्हें अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल्स विल एग्जामिन। माननीय श्री महाराजा संजाओबा लेसंबा, प्लीज।
Sir, thank you, sir.
Not going on record, please sit.